To fix the Snapchat support code SS06, you need to understand what this error code means. The SS06 code typically indicates that Snapchat is experiencing technical difficulties or there is an issue with your account. First, try restarting the Snapchat application. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve the issue. If the problem persists, check your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A slow or unreliable internet connection can cause the SS06 error. Next, check if Snapchat is down due to server maintenance or technical issues. You can do this by visiting the Snapchat support page or checking their social media accounts for any updates. If Snapchat is indeed down, you will have to wait until the issue is resolved. Another step is to clear the Snapchat app cache. This can help resolve any technical issues that may be causing the error. To do this, go to your device settings, find the Snapchat app, and select Clear Cache. Additionally, ensure your Snapchat app is up to date. An outdated app can cause compatibility issues and result in the SS06 error. To update the app, go to the App Store, search for Snapchat, and select Update. If none of these steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Snapchat app. This will remove any corrupted files that may be causing the error. It is also important to check if your account has been locked or suspended. If your account has been locked, you will need to wait for the specified time or contact Snapchat support to resolve the issue. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and the issue still persists, contact Snapchat support directly. They will be able to provide you with more specific guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Snapchat support code SS06 and get back to using the app. Remember to always keep your app up to date and maintain a stable internet connection to avoid any future issues.